Hi everyone, on this video I'll be showing you how you can update your password on Scotiabank. In order to change or update your information on your Scotiabank, you'll need to first of all log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see a try bar icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. So click on the try bar icon or the menu or the more page. After that, it's going to direct you to the more info page. Under it, there are a variety of options. Go ahead and tap on privacy and security. As soon as you click on privacy and security, once again there are multiple options. Among the list, you need to click on update your password. In order to update your password or to verify your identity, you'll be asked to type in the current password. Only then you'll be able to make changes with your account information. Once you're done entering the information, after that move on with the step number 2, where you have to create a new password. For the confirmation, you also need to type in twice. Make sure to go to the above mentioned criteria while creating your password. So after you're done making changes with your information, click on update password, which is right at the bottom. Now it's going to direct you to the security page. So if you're confirmed about it, click on the finish tab, and that is basically how you can update your password on. Now, however, let's consider that if you have forgotten your password and you're unable to log in, what you can do is from the home page itself, you'll be able to see an option as forgot password or reset password. Click on it and you'll be instructed on how you can recover your account. So in this way, you can update or change your password on Scotiabank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.